Today we are going to learn a poem, The Road Not Taken. This poem is written by the famous poet Robert Frost. This poem was published in 1916. Robert Frost was born in San Francisco. He belongs to the 20th century. He was an American poet. His work was initially published in England before it was published in America. In the poem, The Road Not Taken, the road symbolizes our life. The poet says that the path that we don't choose in our life is the road not taken. He describes his feelings about that choice that he had left in the past. So, we must be wise while making choices. The path which we choose decides our future. Let's begin with the poem. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood means once the poet was walking down a road and then the road was diverged. Diverged means separated into two different paths or two different roads in a yellow wood. Yellow wood means a forest with fallen leaves, which shows us that it is the season of autumn. And sorry, I could not travel both. Here, the poet feels emotion because he could not travel both the roads. As he is just one person, he can only choose one out of them. And be one traveler long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could. Here the poet kept standing there and looked at the path very carefully as far as he could see it. Before taking the path, he wanted to know it was suitable for him or not. To where it bent in the undergrowth. Here undergrowth means dense trees and bushes. The poet was able to see the path from where it curved, then after which it was covered with trees and was hidden. So students, it happens in our life also. When we have choices, we have alternatives, but we have to choose only one out of them. We have to take time to think about the advantages and the disadvantages, whether it is suitable for us or not. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had worn them really about the same. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim. So the poet kept on looking at the path for a long time to check whether it was the right path for him or not. And then he decided and started walking on another road because he felt that both the roads were equally good. Here, just as fair means equal because it was grassy and wanted wear. Why he chose that road? Because the poet felt that the road had grasses, which means it was unused. That means not many people had walked on this road. That is why this road was grassy and wanted wear. Wanted wear means needed to be used or not walked over by many people. Though as for that the passing there had worn them really about the same. So after walking some distance on the road, the poet realizes that both the roads are worn out the same way. Both the roads felt similar to him. Both the roads were equally used by the people. Students, even in our life, we take any path or option, but it has some benefits, disadvantages, problems, and we must face them. And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way. I doubted if I should ever come back. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. So children, here the poet says that both the roads or both the paths were similar, were equal that morning. Both the roads had leaves on them and no one had stepped on them as they were still green in color. Here the word trodden black means walked over. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way. Here the poet decides that this day he would travel one road and the other road he will travel some another day, even after knowing that one way leads on to another way. I doubted if I should ever come back. Here the poet knew that he could not go back on the choice he had made. Students, similarly, even in our life, once we choose an option, we must keep on moving ahead with that option. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. I shall be telling this with a sigh. With a sigh. Sigh means deep breath. Somewhere ages and ages hence. Hence means the poet is talking about the future. He is thinking about the future. He says that in the future he will take a deep breath and say that two roads diverged in a wood and I took the one less travelled by. That once upon a time he had reached such a point in life that there were two options for him and he chose the road which was travelled by lesser number of people. That decision of his decided his future. So children, similarly in future when you grow up, then you will say that once upon a time when you were young you had two options, two or more options. The choice that you made you what you became today. This is a very strong message for all the students that you should be wise and be careful while making choices out of the options that you have in your life, because your future depends on the choice that make you today. Here the word difference, it can be success or failure.